One more type of resource you can use in Microsoft Project is the material resource type. Material resources, as it is obvious by their name, are the resources that need to be spent in order to complete a task. So, if your task was to create a chair, for example, the material resource would be the wood. The standard rate of a resource is not actually a rate since it is not calculated in a per hour basis as work resources are. Let's add a material resource. Click on the first empty line of the resource sheet. Type the resource name, set the resource type to material, and finally set the standard rate to 500. Material resources have an extra field you can use to describe them. The material label field is used to add descriptive information to your material resources. Don't neglect it since it can help the readability of your project plan. Find the first material resource, click on its material label, type the new label, drag from the lower right corner of that cell to fill the two other materials with that label. Sometimes, besides the standard rate of a material resource, there may be some extra cost each time you use a resource. For example, you may know the total amount of office supplies you will need, but each time you use them, you have to compensate for the cost of moving these supplies from the company's warehouse to the company's offices. This is where the cost per use field comes into play. Find the office supplies resource, change its cost per use to 50.